everyone, this is Samantha from Samantha Brown Artistry and you're watching Tutorial Tuesday. Last week we learned how to do some French braids, and as promised this week we're learning how to do a beach wave. So let's get ready for summer. All you'll need is a 1-inch curling iron or curling iron wand, some light hold hairspray, 2 clips and a comb, and we'll be ready to learn. Alright, let's go. So we're going to start off our hair clean and blow dried. We don't want to straighten it because when we hit the straightener with it, the curls don't stay as well. So I'm going to start here at the top of the head and part right behind the ear. And then I'm going to part it behind the ear on this side. Top of the head to behind the ear. And I'll clip it out of the way. Okay, so I have my iron on and I have it set to 350. And that's just about enough heat for anyone. You know, you want to go ahead and spray some heat protectant on your hair before you go ahead and put any hot tool on there. And we're going to start off by taking our wand and taking a little bit of hair, about an inch to an inch and a half. You don't ever want to go bigger than what your wand or curling iron is. So if your wand or curling iron is an inch, then you want to go ahead and only take an inch of hair. So we're going to go ahead and wrap the hair around the wand or the curling iron. So first I'm going to go ahead and wrap it towards my face. Now when I'm wrapping it, I'm being very careful not to touch the barrel because it gets very, very hot. Okay? And you got your first wave here. Now I'm going to go to the opposite side. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl the opposite way than I did the first time. And this is so you don't have any repetitive curls. So we'll go ahead and twist it. And as we're twisting the hair, please make sure to be careful with the heated element. It's very, very hot. And go ahead and pull it down. So we're going to keep doing that, and as we move throughout the hair, we're just going to keep going opposite. So with one curl we're going to go to the left, and with the other curl we're going to go to the right. So as you can see, I'm just twisting it around the hair and letting it go. If you want to hold the hair, probably about 5 seconds on each strand. That's a good time. You don't want to hold it too long because you don't want to damage your hair. So we're going to the opposite side again. And we're twirling the hair around the wand. Okay, so now we have our first layer right here. So you can see you have these pretty curls, and what you're going to want to do is just spray them. Just a light spray with the light hold. So we made it to the top layer, and we're just going to do a quick recap here. So you're just going to take your hair about an inch, hold your wand, twist the hair around the wand, being careful of your fingers, it's very, very, very hot. About 5 seconds, and pull down. Okay, and take your next piece, we're going to go twirling in the opposite direction. About 5 seconds, and down. Okay, once we're done with the back layer, we're not going to forget to spray. Okay, that light hold hairspray. At our side pieces now. So we're just gonna do the same like we did for the back and just section it off about 1 inch to 2 inch for each time here. I'm gonna pull a little bit more down. Okay, take your wand and start in opposite directions. Twist your hair around the wand. Okay, so we're finishing up our last section. Now that we're done curling the hair, we're gonna comb it out and loosen some of this curl. So take your big comb or your fingers and just kind of smooth out the hair and comb through it. Start at the ends, make our way to the top, and sort of run our hands through this beach wave, which is turned out absolutely beautiful. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of serum in my hands, not too much. Rub it in the hands to warm it up, and just start on the ends, pulling it through, just to go ahead and tame some of the frizz that may come. Depending on your hair type, you may not need the smoothing serum. But I know with my hair, I definitely do with every style. Okay, we're just gonna fluff that out a little bit. It looks stunning. All right, and then for this last little bit, we're gonna just go ahead and finish her up with some spray, some light hold hairspray here. All right, and you're done, and you have your perfect beach wave. Hey everyone, I hope you learned how to do a perfect beach wave today. Thanks for tuning in to my tutorial, and if you have any questions about how to create the perfect beach wave, go ahead and email me at samanthabrownartistry@gmail.com or visit my website at samanthabrownartistry.com, or you can just DM me here on my Facebook page. So for next week's Tutorial Tuesday, we're going to be learning how to do a cool 50s updo. That's a wrap!